The Little Red Ball. Once upon a time, there was a little red ball. The ball lived in a small house with a boy named Tom. Tom loved to play with his little red ball. Every day, after school, Tom and the ball would go to the park. One sunny day, Tom and the ball went to the park as usual. Tom threw the ball high in the air. The ball flew up, up, and then it came down. But this time, it bounced and rolled away. "Oh no," said Tom. "Where is my little red ball?" Tom looked under the bench. The ball was not there. He looked behind the tree. The ball was not there. Tom was very sad. He sat on the bench and started to cry. Just then, a little dog came running. The dog had the little red ball in its mouth. "Woof, woof," barked the dog. It dropped the ball at Tom's feet. "Thank you, little dog," said Tom, smiling. He picked up the ball and hugged the dog. The dog wagged its tail and barked happily. Tom and the little dog played with the ball together. They ran and laughed and had lots of fun. Tom was happy to have his ball back and a new friend too. When it was time to go home, Tom said goodbye to the dog. "See you tomorrow, little dog," he said. The dog wagged its tail and barked again. Tom and his little red ball went home. Tom was tired but very happy. He had a big smile on his face. And from that day on, Tom, the little red ball, and the dog played together every day in the park. They were the best of friends.